Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on DI Tech Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ditechmortgagecorp.vmpclient.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the login portal for DI Tech mortgage accounts right away. Now type in the username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your DI Tech mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your credentials, you can click on the forgot username or the forgot password option underneath the sign in box and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on DI Tech Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.